All right, guys, here we go. Let's see what happens. What's everybody think? Bullish? We're going up to 250. We're heading back to 200. Moving a little bit now. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we're moving up to 223. Let's go. Come on. Hadn't even came out yet. We're already up $2. So here on the daily chart, get to 200 down to 192. I mean, it would have to really miss to get back down there. We have that little gap there around 197. All the way down there to 190, so 7 points if it really misses. We got this all-time recent high up here around 233.47. All right. Holy moly, look at this. Holy smokes. That thing just dropped $10 just out of nowhere. Excuse me, $8. Wow. All right, what's everybody else think? Anybody have options? Who's got puts? Who's got calls? Talk to me. I said watch out if we get down to 200, down below that little gap there. Holy moly, 215. Anybody got the numbers out yet? So beats on earnings, beats on revenues. I want to see somebody have actual numbers out. We got anything yet? Nope. It says it's missed. As soon as I get it, I'll post it here. Holy smokes, we probably are heading for 200 here. This is a 2-minute chart. All right, so watch out for the 208 break. 208, 209, the bottom of that little candle there. It's about 206.55. Oh boy, a lot of people can get hurt on this one. So watch out for the 200. Right over here at this low. So we topped Q4 estimates by 4 cents there. It looks like, but it's not enough here. It is just tanking. So that'd be a buyer down here at around 200 if it gets down there. This is crazy. Still going. 211.93, 211.91. Always like watching this as well. It's a link to the Apple earnings live blog. I just like watching the price action. We might hit that 200. I don't know. So we're over there. Let's get back 5 minutes. Look at this, would you? My goodness, man. Jeez. Switch over to the 2 minute. All right, some buyers starting to step in here around 210. So I'll be a buyer around 200. We should have some puts on this thing. Anybody else have any puts or calls on it ahead of earnings? Look at all this size coming through. 840,000 on that candle, 719,000. Look at the volume, 632,000. You're watching the time and sales here. Looks like it's, like I said, trying to get a bounce up here. 211.50, 65, 70. I mean, that's a pretty significant drop there. Let's see, what was that drop right after there? We hit a high up there at around 223.50, dropped to 210.65. So that was over 5.5%, 5.64%. Pretty significant. So this is going to drag the Dow down tomorrow. Qs, everything's going to be down tomorrow if this continues. But a lot of the time, there's always an overreaction to the earnings. So who knows? This thing could pop back up to 230 tomorrow. We'll see. I like to dig into the numbers here a little bit. So the main reason it's tanking is because it's giving cautious sales forecast. So because the upgrade cycle, everybody's not updating every year or 2 years now because the phone companies quit subsidizing it. So now you have to pay or lease it. You basically pay the full price over to your contract with your carrier. So they said Apple gives caution sales forecast amid weakness in emerging markets. Here's the link for you guys. So we're holding this 211 here so far. trying to push to 212. Couple times sales over here. No, we don't need it that big, do we? No. There's 212 printing 400, 212.22. Just a little doji candle come in. 5 usually signals a reversal. We're holding 212. Let's see if we can get a push up there to 212.50. There it is, 212.50. $12.64. $12.82. All right, we're holding here at 212. So far the pre-market low, or excuse me, post-market low here after earnings is 210.60. What was the low there? So 210.55, excuse me. Now we're getting a little bounce here. This line here is my whole indicator. Kind of gives me an idea as to when a stock's about to turn. You know, I use that in conjunction with RSI and many other indicators to determine when that's going to pop around. Anybody else uses the Hall, I have it set on 7, I believe. It's a nice little pop here. My goodness, $4. Like I said, overreaction initially. So Tim Cook said sales for the crucial holiday quarter could miss Wall Street expectations. Again, you know, the cautious sales forecast. So they expect between 89 billion and 93 billion in revenue for the fiscal first quarter ending in December. Wall Street expects 93 billion. So they're going to be between 89 and 93 in there. So that was the reason for the initial drop. So also foreign exchange rates will have a $2 billion impact on their sales. Just looking through some of the highlights. Apple is happy with its performance in China. Revenue grew 16% to 11.4 billion. They sold 46.9 million iPhones in the fiscal fourth quarter, but they missed analyst estimates of 47.5, so they missed by like 600,000. Average selling price of the iPhone is $793, so that tells you not a lot of people are paying the $1,400 for the top end one. They're buying the, I guess, the XS, which is around $799 or whatever. So average selling price is $793. Analysts were expecting $750 average selling price. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and give it a like. This is the initial reaction. That's what I wanted to capture here. So I'll stay on here a few more minutes Obviously, I'm not going to live stream the whole earnings till 8 p.m. I want to thank everybody for watching. I certainly appreciate it. And come back, check my channel out for new videos. I'll be on here a few more minutes now. I was expecting a little pop. I wasn't expecting a $4 pop, man. That's nice. So the high now is about 215. Let's see. 215 pulled back a bit. 215.07, 6. $215.38. All right, so right now we have a high of 215.44. So again, now we're down about, still down about $6 from the close, thereabouts. Let's see if we close up here. Where are we at now? About 3%. So we could break about 215.44 level, so we're pulling back here. 214 already. There's all the shorts covering. But again, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. I want to thank everybody for watching, and if you haven't, go ahead and click that subscribe button, give it a like, and come back and watch more videos. I really appreciate it, and everyone have a good day.